Hi guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we are learning a new command for Grasshopper. Divide curve battery is very important and very simple to use. Let me show you how to do this pattern in Rhino first. We should draw a curved line first. And then copy and paste. Go to the points tools, and then divide curve by number of segments. Right click, select the line, press enter, input your segments number, maybe 9. Cool. Do the same command again. Okay, if we do it in Rhino, we should connect them one by one, right? It's very troublesome. So let me fall back and see how to do it in Grasshopper. I just set on this curve and then set this one. Now you see we create all of the lines. It's very easy. Let me show you step by step how to do this battery chains. We still draw two curves first. Copy and paste. And then go to the params tools and find curve. Copy and paste this battery. Set the first line on the curve. Then set this one. Cool. Then we go to the curve battery tools. Find divide curve battery. Connect the first one. You can see the first line already have been divided by many segments, right? Let me copy and paste this command and connect these two batteries together. The second line already have been divided by many segments too. Double click and then input 9. It is a number slider. Double click number slider, you can change your maximum number. Maybe you can change it to 20. And this is integer numbers, even numbers, and odd numbers. If you choose odd numbers, then you slide your number slider. You only can choose odd numbers. I just changed it back to the integer numbers. Click OK. I also want it to be 9. Copy and paste this battery. Connect them together. Cool. Now my two lines, both of them have 9 segments and 10 points. Find the last battery line. Connect them together, start point and end point. Now you can see we create all of the middle lines. We can pick them out. You can drag all of your lines to the other place now. Cool. Do it until this step, guys, and then we continue the next step. Welcome back, guys. Let's see if I drag the number slider for the second line, what will happen. If I change it into a smaller number, you can see all of the extra points for the first line will connect to the end points of the second line. If I drag the number to be a bigger number, you can see now we have more points for the second line and fewer points for the first line. My extra points for the second line, all of the points connecting to the end point of the first line now. Let me change the number back to 9. And then let's see if I use flip command in Rhino, what will happen. Right click, flip direction. Select the line, Press enter. Now you can see all of the lines connecting the opposite way, right? Ctrl Z for back. Let's see how to do this comment in Grasshopper. You can find curve tools and then flip curve. Select this battery and drag it here. Let me collect this. Let me connect this one. You also can see we do the same thing in Grasshopper, right? By using this flip curve battery. Cool guys, this is the end of our tutorial. Please practice all of the comments. We learned how to use divide curve battery and flip curve battery. Okay, see you in the next tutorial.